All right, I've been doing this show since it started back in 2013, and I can honestly say there is no segment we have ever produced that gets me more, I don't know, what do the kids say, Eric? The kids say, what, lit?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that, but that's what the kids say, so we'll go with it. Hype, yeah? Geeked up. The Bowling Challenge. It is back tonight, our first episode of the season. That's right, the Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge. The pot starts out at $80 for the season. Oh, Marie Ronkowitz, I think I know that last name. Her first frame, now you got to get, okay, that's her first ball. You got 3 chances to get 3 strikes, so she's not going to win the pot, but she can get some more money. Got to knock this one over. She'll be all right. Started bowling at the age of 5. Her hobbies include reading, working out, bowling, that's good. High game is 275. Here she goes to pick up that spare. And collects, and then oh no! Oh, it's a tough start. I can't believe they got Ronkowitz on the back of the shirt, but here's a guy who knows all about that last name, Mary Reading, $9.
Get to start things off here in the Southwyck 3-strike challenge with my sister Marie. Nice job out there. Unfortunately, talk about that first shot you had there. Kind of pulled it a little bit, maybe?
Yeah, I definitely pulled it a little bit. It should have. I practiced a couple times, but it didn't really work so well.
Looked like you were starting to get it kind of aimed in there in the second shot that you had in your practice finally, but just not able to get that first strike. And then you had to shoot the dreaded 10-pin. Talk about the spare shot.
10 pins are always a struggle for me, but as long as I take my time and actually focus on it, I usually get it.
Unfortunately, didn't happen in this one here today. You're going to walk away with $9, however. We will roll over the other 71. She had a chance of making 80 today. We'll do it next week again on the Southwyck Lanes 3-strike challenge.